Digging through dense 10K reports and LinkedIn profiles to find a single angle for a cold email is an exhausting manual process. Worse, spending 2 hours on that search drains your most valuable asset before you even start writing, your cognitive capacity. Today, we are turning prompt engineering into a direct pipeline skill so you can research a prospect 3 times faster. Achieving this speed requires a shift in how we work. We have to stop viewing AI as a simple writing tool and start deploying it as a targeted intelligence agent. Step 1. Identify a publicly traded target prospect and open up your preferred AI workspace. Next, navigate to that target company's corporate website and locate the Investor Relations section. On this page, look for the most recent annual report. Find the button for the 10K PDF document and download it. At this point, you should have a dense 50-plus page PDF saved directly to your desktop. Acquiring this unfiltered financial data gives us the raw material. It is the necessary foundation for discovering a high-leverage outreach angle. Step 2. Upload that raw 10K PDF directly into your AI tool. Warning tone. Do not make the rookie mistake of asking the AI to simply summarize the report or explain what the company does. We are engineering a pipeline, not asking for a book report. Generic summaries kill momentum because they completely fail to uncover the specific, urgent problems a CEO is actively trying to solve. Instead, copy and paste this exact friction finder prompt. Analyze this annual report and identify the 3 biggest financial frictions facing the CEO this quarter. This comparison shows why the prompt works. Instead of a vague overview, this specific instruction forces the AI to instantly bypass corporate fluff and generate a highly targeted list of acute financial pain points. By engineering the prompt to search for friction, the AI handles the exhausting data extraction, leaving you free to design the strategy. Step 3 is a critical rule. Never copy and paste the AI's raw output directly into a cold email. The AI provides the raw data extraction, but you must seamlessly fuse it with your organic human strategy to make it effective. Review the 3 frictions identified by the AI and isolate the single most relevant point. In this context, relevance means the chosen friction directly intersects with the specific problem your product is built to solve. Now, write the opening line of your outreach. Use that extracted 10K data immediately to prove your credibility to the prospect. For example, you might reference a Q3 supply chain margin squeeze that you found directly in their report. This diagram maps the email logic. Start with the verified pain point, the AI found friction, then structurally pivot to your human strategy and solution. Illustrate the payoff by offering a highly specific value proposition, like a proven 15% reduction in that overhead. This deliberate synthesis of hard financial data and tailored human empathy is what separates robotic spam from high-converting outreach. Now look at the shift in efficiency. You just built a highly researched, data-backed outreach angle in 5 minutes instead of 2 hours. It is time to stop passively scrolling and start actively engineering your pipeline. Next week, we explore why collecting certificates fails to secure promotions and look at the actions that actually will. Subscribe, and we will see you then.